Welcome to SCD triage meeting. Today is August 14, and let's start with the SCD repo. So there are 3 issues from the agenda here. Let's see. So the first one is about a bug of SCD. So there is a bug that when you specify a revision in a transaction range request, if the revision is before the compacted version, then it should not get executed. But at the same time the request is sent to other members, the request is not connected to. So there's some rewrite of the request to the other members, and the range request will be dropped, and so that would result in inconsistent data in the database. So there has been some discussions and some PRs merged. So someone just added a E2E test, I think, at the end of this thread. So Nightwatch has added the E2E test, but I think the issue itself is not fixed yet. So we need someone to look into fixing it. Any volunteers?
If not, should we add the help wanted label?
Yeah, okay. Add the help wanted. The second one, gRPC proxy issue. Let's see if it's picked up. When the client connects to the gRPC proxy with the SE cluster, new clients connecting after the auth token TTX execute will not receive any watch events. Okay, so Ivan, you commented on this. Any update?
I think this comes from many gRPC proxy issues that we've had or we have open, and Benjamin basically said we need more contributors for this sub project that we have. Then I think it was Nont that said that he can look at it. So now we have another possible pull request. But that pull request says it's closed.
Okay. So this is already assigned, so we don't need to triage it anymore, right?
Yeah, I guess. So the Stailboat closed it. But yeah, I don't know who will be a gRPC proxy expert. I don't know if it's only Benjamin or who could review this pull request. Because I mean, code-wise it looks good, but yeah, I don't think I'm able to say like, yeah, LGTM.
So yeah, I'm not an expert on gRPC either. Which pull request are you talking about?
So it's nine. So in that, yeah, 19033.
It's closed, yeah.
Yeah, it's closed.
Yeah, it's closed because Stailbot closed it.
Oh, okay. How do I
I can't reopen it.
yeah. How Can I reopen it?
I just reopen. I just click the reopen button.
Save.
Oh,
Okay.
and maybe the least we can do is to do an OK to test this. If it's a valid, I think it was a valid concern, the issue.
Right.
So yeah, let me do an OK to test maybe in that pull request. So I guess the action item here is, so there's a pull request already open. We ran OK to test, and let's see. Then I also added this one. So those other two are also from gRPC proxy.
gRPC cannot handle requests from gateway correctly. Okay, so it seems that there's a PR merged and it all worked okay. So that means
Is it really merged?
you can maintain the gRPC.
I
I only
think the pull
see.
request is open.
Yeah, I see support gRPC context propagation as an open pull request.
Commit. Okay, so we need to follow with the contributor to update this PR rebase. He has not worked on this for a while. Okay, any more comments on this one?
No, maybe the ideally is a call for someone with gRPC expertise. um, and so maybe like someone that wants to be a maintainer of that, because like we really don't have a lot of experts on that field, and that part is a little bit abandoned.
Yeah. So for anyone watching this video, yeah, we need gRPC experts to help us out, and you can be experts like field maintainer of gRPC of SCD. So the invitation is out there. Go through some old issues.
I can, I'm not an expert, I would say, or I don't think I'm an expert, but I'd be happy to also make that PR go through if we need to basically rebase it and make a new PR, if we can't get in touch with the contributor and work on it.
All right, that would be great. Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay. Close. These are some of the still issues that has not been updated for a while. So the first one is close already. Close channel cause a panic. Okay, this is from before, and we need to follow up with this contributor and ask if he wants to do any follow up. SCD test utilizing new lazy FS feature to simulate power failure. So I believe there's a possibility for the antithesis to follow up with this. So we'll see how it goes. Next one. Okay. So this one is a feature request for embed debolt command as SCD util subcommand. I think that's still a nice feature to have. There's just no one working on this currently, so this contributor has deleted the repo. So if anyone wants have interest in working on this,
I can try to take this as well. It doesn't seem too bad.
Yeah, this is not too difficult. Yeah, before you do that, maybe check with Marek, see if it's still something useful to add.
Sure.
Thank you.
Brandon, can you write your GitHub username in the chat?
Yeah, the Zoom chat? Sure.
Yes, thank
Cool. Wasn't this test bleak? Okay, seems the Carson has identified core fix on export return issue. Mm. Okay, so it seems this issue is not really stale. It's just the PR is being reviewed. So we can move on. Missing deadline police grant when creating session. There's someone assigned to work on this. Any update? Still. Okay, so we need a reviewer for this PR because no one is reviewing it and it's causing the bot to close it. Open. Okay, so this PR is about lease grant. So anyone interested in reviewing PR?
I think we need to okay to test it, and then we also but I think he's this DCO,
Oh,
so he didn't properly sign it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's failing. So maybe we can start.
Update documents. Okay. He has 2 PRs already, and so it's not really stale. So assign him. The next one is a feature related to robustness test, support running non-empty database. Okay. Let's get complicated. All right, so this one is not really a priority right now, and there's no bug. It's just a feature for linearization test. So
Yeah,
one,
antithesis.
Hmm?
Antithesis, yeah, it looks like.
yeah, this is not antithesis, but it's just in general the robustness test. So right now we're just testing like from empty database, you start writing to it, and then the linearization model doesn't break. But this asking for a feature like you start with a non-empty database and then make sure everything happens
Yeah,
after it works. So it's fairly involving, and I guess it's if you really want to dive into robustness, feel free to look into it. Mm, yeah, but right now I think we just put it in the backlog.
yeah, that's exactly what Merrick says, actually.
Is there like a backlog tag? Or... What response revision can be lower than the required starting revision? It says triaged and stay.
It sounds like it needs a robustness test, if this is true.
Yeah, so
If this is true.
right. It's just, do we guarantee that?
Yeah, we do guarantee that. Watch requests don't send events until
Or
revision. Yeah,
yeah.
the requested revision.
So we need to reproduce it.
Yeah.
Maybe someone maybe ask this person and see if she's interested working on the production.
Technically, we have the steps. We could maybe write at least a bash script, but yeah, ideally an E2E test will be better.
Yeah. So or if anyone on the call is interested in working on the reproduction, that would be great. If not, then we're at time. So thank you everyone for coming and have a great rest of the day. Thank you.